Hey, Troy here. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a Cardly updated review, but more importantly, I'm going to be talking about the Pro level upgrade, the Pro level membership. I'm going to share some of the differences between the two, and I'm also going to talk about how I'm using Cardly and why the results are not only highly impressive, but fun, easygoing. So if you have a home business, if you have a brick and mortar business, you need to stick around and watch this video because I'm just going to share with you a rejection free strategy for being able to get more attention on your business. Now, if this video makes sense, it resonates with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And the image that you're looking at right now, this is someone that just created their free Cardly account maybe about a half hour to 45 minutes ago. So that's why it looks really bland and plain right now. But with the Cardly, again, everyone joins as a free member. You're going to notice, there's some advertisements that are on here. You've got this button over here that allows you to upgrade to a pro membership. Pro membership literally is $1 a day, for $30 a month. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how that's such a very small investment for what it is that you're capable of doing. You have the Cardly links that are in here, so people can come click on either of these links so that they can create their free Cardly account. So your buttons at the bottom, these are customizable. You could add up to 8 buttons currently, and each button, depending on what it is that you want to use, you could add 4, 5, 6 links. So there's a lot of room and leverage here. Um, and again, these are customizable, so you could switch them around really however it is that you want. Now, there are a lot of advantages of using Cardly, and for one thing, this really is about its first mission is to brand you as a real professional, as someone that stands out in your industry, and you'll understand why that's so vitally important, right? So, with these standard features, right, look at all of the things that you get. You can put all of your business opportunities on one link, your contact information, your social media, one link that you could share on a consistent basis, help people create free accounts, and I'll tell you why that's important in a minute. At the time of me shooting this video, there are no monthly residuals or any kind of fast start bonuses, so I don't have a financial incentive on the front end to recommend that you use Cardly. So it really doesn't matter to me if you remain a free member for life or if you decide to become a pro member. Financially, there's no benefit up front. So you could support all your social media links in one house, which I think is pretty awesome. Support all calendar links, support all meeting links, support all payment links. If you are a freelancer, you can add payment buttons right onto your Cardly. Build your brand. You have a built-in QR code for sharing. I'll talk about that. You get to add a picture, right? You get to add a background. It's fun. It's colorful. Direct links for easy sharing, easily updating for changes, mobile friendly for easy access, Zoom integration. Again, receive payments. You could share videos, PDFs, calendars, pre-written scripts for messaging. So this is a massively powerful resource. And again, you can create a free account and literally in 1 minute get the ball rolling. Okay, so this is my actual Cardly, and as a pro member, you'll notice some differences, right? I mean, I added a background color, right, making it just stand out a little bit more. I have my title, so I'm branded as a business strategy consultant expert. I've got a start here video, the very first link at the very bottom of my Cardly, where I spend a minute, 2 minutes introducing myself, talking about what my goals are, how I'm able to help other people, what makes Cardly so powerful, how they should set up their free account, how they can add their business links, their social media links, their contact information. And I also have, for the second button here, my business opportunity, instant cash system, right? I talk about that. So if people are looking for ways to make several hundreds daily, get paid instantly, they can do so. AI tools for business, USA free leads, and then contact information. If they want to reach out to me and have a Zoom chat, they want to connect with me on social media, right? Just so that you could see how I've got my most prevalent social sites on here. I've got my blog for article content marketing. Again, you could really put this to use. If they want to send me an email, they could send me an email. If they want to call or text me, they can call or text me. And again, this is about personal branding. Now, why should you upgrade to a pro level member? Well, look at this page. Really, and I want to put this into the right perspective. A lot of you are on social media, right? You're constantly trying to get people to look at your opportunity. And I know many of you get frustrated, right? You accept somebody's friend request, all of a sudden 30 seconds later they're spamming you with their link. They send you this long ass 2-page article talking about how great their company is. This is going to be the best opportunity in 2025. Y'all know the deal. And uh, everyone likes to buy, but nobody likes to be sold. Now, would you rather promote your offer that way to 5 people, 10 people a day, where they're only really interested in getting you to join their business or not looking to spend money, join another opportunity? You guys know that. If you've been marketing for anything longer than 30 days, you know that. Would that be easier to do it that way, or would it be easier to give away a free digital business card where they can add everything that they want on one link and then share that link to get more eyes on their business? Now, what if you just gave away one free Cardly a day? Just one a day. If you did that for a month, that would be 30 people that you could contact and connect with a month. What if you went crazy and you gave away 2 free Cardlys a day? That's 60 people a month. You don't think if you've got between 30 and 60 people a month that you can't build a good relationship with them? The very first thing that I do when I reach out to people, look, I've got all their relevant information right in here. Unlike maybe a Facebook profile where you click on the link and their business link is no longer valid. They haven't updated anything in 2 or 3 years. The phone number isn't working, right? These are real issues. The person's no longer promoting that business. Guess what? With these Cardlys, I know that all of this information is relevant, up to date, and real. Why? It's because people are using this to present themselves in the best way possible. So when I send someone an email, I know that's correct. When I call them or send them a text, I know the number is valid and the information is correct. And my first goal is to share with them different ways that they can use Cardly. Even as a free member, hey, put up a profile pic. Let people see who you are, create a background image, like, and there's literally tutorial videos simplifying the whole process. But again, my first intention is to just educate them and share different ways that they can get results using Cardly. And then, you know, I'll ask, what is it that they're promoting? What do they intend on using Cardly for? Now, if you have an opportunity that you feel would help them, then, you can give them the opportunity to take a look at it by going right to your Cardly. You can even recommend that they look at your business opportunity just to see how you've got it connected to your Cardly account. You understand? So, in essence, if I connect with 30 people a day, 30 people in a month, 60 people within a month, I'm telling you right now, I'm closing 20 sales because I know this industry. I've been marketing online for a decade. I know what are the things that people are struggling and having challenges with, and it's not hard to be able to help somebody within their first week or two make $1,000, if not more. It's not hard. So, the other thing that I'll point out, as a pro level member, you can brand your domain name. For instance, my domain name when I started with a free account was cardly.me/blah, blah, blah. The same day I upgraded, got a premium account. So now when people try to spam me on social media, they give me their link. I'll message them back. Hey, listen, I appreciate you sharing that information, but I don't really talk business on social media. May I send you my contact information and you could share with me whatever it is that you have? So most of the time people are going to respond yes. And then I send them my domain attached to Cardly, troyminer.net. Very professional, stands out a heck of a lot more. That's what you want. So what do you think happens when they land on this page? They realize, oh man, this guy or this girl is a real deal. I like how they've got this set up. And then I could see how I could set up my own free account just like this, right? That's what you want. The other thing that's really cool, check this out. Now, this is a downloadable digital contact card. My Cardly is, branded all the way around. This is strictly for contact. So, I could send people this link when they try to spam me. Again, you're branding yourself, you're standing out. They can come down here. If I send this online, they can come down here, click this Save Now button, save my Cardly information. They're going to want to reach out to me later on because Cardly is brand new. Nobody's really using this yet. No one doesn't even know, that they have something so fantastic. And what if I'm out, right? What if this is in person? Maybe you meet somebody, I don't know, at a ball game. You strike up a conversation. They're all about business. They pull out their 1988 business card that's dull as all hell, and I don't knock it. And then all of a sudden I say to them, hey, do me a favor, grab your cell phone, scan this code, and when they scan this code, boom, they got all my Cardly information, everything that I would like for them to be able to see, and it's all in here. So look, if you got some value from this video, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You can go to my YouTube channel right now. Click on the YouTube channel link for Cardly. Create your free account. If you're getting this video from an email that you got, go back to that email right now. Scroll to the bottom. Click on the link. Create your Cardly account. And again, I just really want to see people succeed. This is so much fun. Really takes your business to the next level. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.